And here we are, the EMA ribbon flipping bearish here. We are under the EME ribbon, and this looks very dramatic. But I spoke for weeks since this, and not only that we are dropping below the EMA ribbon, but we are also clearly dropped below the 20 moving average and the 50 moving average. You see it here. So the next big support is here at 60K. This is the 100 moving average, and the next one will be at 50K. What a surprise. This is exactly what we are talking since, I guess it feels like since years, but obviously it's not since years, but since months. And if we are pulling out the Fibonacci, we see the biggest support is still at 50K, which is in a perfect alignment with the 200 moving average, which is also coming at 50K approximately. And again, for everyone who's still thinking it's not possible 50K, look at the Fear and Greed Index. We are at 67. We are still in a very extreme greed. And if you still not believe me, and I could be horribly also wrong, but I just watching the cold charts here, and you see always this blue line represents the greed. And always when we had this high greed, which was over 60 or 70, you see it here, okay, yeah, you see it here, we saw always after drop into the red in the anxious side, right? So you see it here, it happened 2 times in the bull market, and right now we are also here, our greed is nearly at 70. It was already at 70, and now it starts to drop, and we are going into the neutral and then usually into the anxious before we see again a pump in the Bitcoin price. So for me, it's very clear here. I expecting here that we are going to 50K, and yes, we have this bull flag, and this bull flag, the price target of this massive bull flag, I spoke also in the last videos about it. You measure from the top to the downside, the price target of this massive bull flag is still here at $100,000. So this is still could work out. And because I'm expecting here only a quick wick to the downside to this 50K area, but however we can go even to 35K. Don't forget that at 35 you have the biggest liquidity, and the biggest support is at 35K. So two price levels are, in my opinion, 50K. This is one support level, and what a surprise, you see 1.168 Fibonacci, and the second is 2.618 at 35K. So these are the biggest support 1, support 2. So tell me in the comments, are you short or are you long right now on Bitcoin? Do your own research, and you get on Bybit up to $30,000. Link is down below, Bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.